So today we're gonna talk about jeździć, which is the same as jechać as the meaning, but it's different that it's an iterative verb. And as we said, the iterative verb is a verb that shows a habitual act. So this is not the same as jechać, and if we're talking about time, but the meaning is the same. Okay, so the same as chodzić. I'm not sure if you saw the video. If you didn't, I will put it here as a link. Okay, so when you say jeździć, it means that you are doing something like all the times, the same. For example, jeżdżę do pracy w poniedziałek, it means that each Monday I go to work. If you say jadę do pracy w poniedziałek, it means that each Monday, not each Monday, it means that I'm going Monday to work, but it doesn't show if he's going usually on Monday to work or not. But when he used this form, it shows that there's a usual, that he usually goes there. Okay, so anyway, let's just talk about the conjugation in the present. Okay, so ja jeżdżę. So there's a difference between the verb itself in the infinitive form and in the first person conjugation in the present. So all you have to do is change j to je. So jeźdź, and then remove all the ending here and then put a point here. So jeźdżę. Okay? I don't know why this is how it was made. Okay. Now when you go to the rest of the persons, for example, te, on, me, vi, so you are gonna keep the first part of the verb the same, and then you're gonna add the ending correspondingly. So for example, if you have te, you will add jeździć, so the sz, the sh at the ending, so the same as before. And then when we go back to the plural form, we're gonna do the same as we did in the first person, and we're gonna add je instead of j here, and then another je here, and on. So jeżdżą. That's really important to memorize. However, I don't know if you need to know, like you don't need to know how to write it if you're not a writer in Polish, or if you don't work in somewhere where you need to write things. However, it's really nice to know things. I don't know. For me, it's important to know. Okay, so the past and future and conditional and the rest is always easy. So all you have to do is remove the ending and add the past form. I'm not gonna talk about it anymore because I've been talking about it all the times. So when was, byliśmy, wyście, and whatever. However, just remember the third person in each verb. It's really important. Why? Because it's gonna be used in the future. So in the future, you use this person, you put it secondly, and firstly you put będę, będziesz, będzie, będziecie, będą, which means I will be doing something. So I will be going, będę jeździł. Okay? And be careful, when you say jeździć, it means going by a vehicle, not on foot. Whether a car or a bus or a horse. And then when you say będziemy jeździły, będziemy jeździły, it means that we will be going, but we are, females are saying this. So we are a group of females saying that we will be going to the cinema each Monday, or each, I don't know, Thursday from now on. So it's a habitual verb, and this is how it's used. Okay, so the conditional, the same as future, you use the third person of the past, and then you add in front of it whether bym, byś, by, byśmy, byście, by. So it means jeździłbym, for example, means I would like to go each Monday to work. Okay, he would like to go each Monday. She would like to go each Monday. So it depends on the on the conjugation, and then we jump to the imperative, and it's as always, you add the j here, so y, or you don't add anything. In this case we add j, because you cannot just say, if you say jeździć, it's gonna sound weird, so jeździ. Jeździ shows the imperative aspect. So anyway, okay, so jeździ, niech jeździ, jeździ, sorry, niech jeździ, so let him go. Jeździmy, let's go, or let's drive. Jeździcie, niech jeżdżą. Now this is not really often used like this form. Often when you use the imperative in this word, if you want to say somewhere to someone to drive somewhere or to go away, so you say jedź, you use the word jechać that we've talked about. You use the imperative of jechać, which is jedź. This is, you can use it. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's not really used. And actually it depends on, I don't know, it depends on the situation. For example, if you're saying that, if you're telling someone to keep on going to work every Monday, even he got fired, you tell him, yeah, even you got fired, just go there. I don't know why would someone do this, but like, let's say this is the situation, you would say, jeździ do pracy i tak. Nawet jeżeli one ciebie na przykład, nie wiem, wyprosili albo wyrzucili albo coś tam. I'm not sure that you are understanding what I'm saying, but yeah, so use this in the habitual form. Then you have the gerund, which is the jeżdżenie, which means the process, the writing process. You're not gonna see this so often, so it's the same as jechanie, so you're gonna have to know to figure it out by yourself depending on the context, but I don't think there's a difference between jechanie or jeżdżenie. I've talked about the verb jechać in another video. I will link it as well. See jechać before you see this, or make sure to see jechać when you see this, okay? So that was all for today. Thank you very much.